scanning for higher than usual call buying volume on the ConvexValue terminal. So you spin up the terminal, split this pane over here, and we want to see columns value, price, change, V-flow ratio, and value volume of call buy, right? Drag this up a little bit. We also want to order by V-flow ratio. And we want to add a filter, which is values greater than 1. There we go, then 1 million. So then here we want to do Joy Apple A Vol VS to look at the volume of buys and sells. And with this you can click at the symbol there. So then you click there. There we have there, nothing interesting, nothing interesting, nothing interesting, nothing interesting. And scan, nothing interesting, nothing interesting. There we go. Look at this expiration on the first expiration, these out of the money call buying volume right here on strike 475. Nice.